Hi, hello everyone. Today's question is double integral s f vector dot n ds, where f is given function here and s is the surface of the cylinder. X square plus y square equal to 1. Include in the first octant between the plane. The limits are given for a z equal to 0 and z equal to 1. So how do we find means we had a formula for finding this one. So we want to evaluate this. So our formula is nothing but double integral f dot n cap ds equal to double integral of here our range f vector dot n cap dy dz divided by n cap dot I vector. How do we write means this is a general formula and here given as a first octant. First octant is nothing but this one. So what are the variables placed here means y and z. So we write dy and dz. The which term is we don't write, so x term. So what is the coefficient of what is the vector of x is nothing but I, so that we placed here. So we want to find, we need a n cap. So n cap is nothing but del pi divided by modulus of del pi. So what we want to do means we want to find our del phi. Del phi is nothing but we write means we had a formula for del phi. I vector del pi dou phi divided by dou x plus j vector dou pi divided by dou y plus k vector dou pi divided by dou z. So we had a pi function is taken as x square plus y, here equal to 1. We take 1 as in left hand side means this is equals to x square plus y square minus 1. Likewise we place instead of pi means we get this form as, if we partially differentiate the terms given here means we get 2xi plus 2yj. Then here n formula is nothing but dou pi divided by modulus of del pi divided by modulus of del pi. So here we want to take a modulus of del pi means nothing but root of 2x is nothing but 4x square plus 4y square. If we take a 2 as common means we get x square plus y square and x plus y is equal to 1. So we get del modulus of del pi as 2. So if we substitute instead of del pi and modulus of del pi means we get the term that is here 2 getting cancelled. We the left term is nothing but xi vector plus yj vector. So we find our n cap. Then what we want to do, we want to find our full term of that formula. So f vector dot n vector, the question given here no f vector dot n, the formula given here no f vector dot n vector. That f is nothing but the already given in a question z I vector plus x j vector minus y square z k vector. So that term, and we find our n cap. N cap is nothing but xi vector plus yj vector. So if we put a dot product means we get the terms are xz plus xy. So then what we want to, we substitute in formula instead of f vector dot n cap. So if we substitute means we get this term, and here our n cap is nothing but xi plus yj. What the next dot product? I vector. I vector is nothing but dot product this term n cap into I means here I term. So our modulus of n cap dot I is nothing but x. So we place here x. Then this if we take in this term of x means this 2 getting cancelled and the left terms are here. Then we want to find our range. One range is already given in the question, that is z range 0 to 2. Then another range is we want to find in our cylinder form. If we put x as 0 means y equal to 1. So that is placed here 0 to 2 and 0 to 1. So z plus y dy dz. So first we integrate dy means we get zy plus y square by 2 1 0. So we if substitute our limits in limits instead of y means we get z plus 1 by 2. And if we integrate dz means integrate these term with dz means we get this z square divided by 2 plus z divided by 2. So if we substitute our limit means we get as 3. So or we want to evaluate, the question given is we want to evaluate double integral s f dot n vector ds. So our answer is nothing but 3. Hope you all understand. Thank you.